Hello world, Burger Bob here. It's a good day to be a Solana Maxi and a Pokemon enjoyer. But anyways, let's bring you to what has been going on behind the scenes in the land of the Burgooors. So let's get to it. First of all, we have updated the landing page with this Bonk Burger. So if you click on this Bonk Burger, you'll be having the bonk currency selected by default, which is pretty bonking convenient. And then secondly, there's some quality of life improvements to the treasure hunt, the burger murder. Bob is dead. So basically now there's this notice which tells you how to get a better burger experience. So basically now you can press on this, pop out and full screen. So then the extension goes to full screen and take my burger money. Then you can go to the header and visit the Bob is Dead scavenger hunt. Nice. And then you can figure out how Bob was murdered in cold blood. So there is that. And then there's also the burger bounties, so the lottery simulations. This was actually a bounty, but nobody wanted to do it, so I might as well do it myself. And yeah, we're doing some lottery simulations on the rounds and so on, just to have a better idea of the business model. So that is pretty much it. Check it out at blessedburgers.co and LFG.